Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lanfear again, and in this video we are looking at the portfolio structure assignment in Unit 3. So for this assignment, and this assignment is essential in getting your files and your folders set up correctly for the rest of the course, so it's really important. So you can download the instructions for this assignment here. And so for this assignment, you're going to have ongoing project in this class, which will be to set up a portfolio of your work. So we're going to set up our file structure right now with this assignment. So first you need to decide where you're going to save your documents. So you could either save this on your desktop, or maybe you have a My Documents folder and a web design folder inside there. However you want to start it, that's kind of up to you. But wherever you start it, you need to have the following folder structure set up. So for instance, my folders, I have them in here's my web design folder, and then I have a fall 2014 just to keep everything organized. So what we have to do first is right click on your desktop and choose new folder. So we're not just on your desktop, wherever you're setting up this folder is where you'll do new folder. So in my fall 2014, this is where I would choose new folder or right click new folder in order to set up a new folder, but I actually already have mine established, so I'm going to delete that one. Okay, so you're going to name the folder that you create portfolio underscore your first initial underscore your last name. So it's going to look a little something like this. I have mine created portfolio underscore A underscore Lanfear. So whatever your first initial and last name are, your portfolio should look like so. Inside that folder, you're going to create a new folder called Unit 1 with no space. Make sure there is no space in the name of your folders. So inside my portfolio folder, and I'm a little further along in the course, so I have a couple more things in here than probably what you'll have, but you need to have a folder for Units 1 through 5. No space, create a new folder for Unit 1, a new one for Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, and also an images folder. So for this assignment, you need to have a folder for Units 1 through 5 plus an images folder. And they all need to be inside your portfolio folder. Then for the assignment, you need to take a screenshot of your folder structure by either using your print screen button on your keyboard, which 99% of keyboards have this print screen button, so you can either do it that way, or if for some reason you can't find your print screen button, I like to use what's called the snipping tool. If it doesn't show up here on your main list of programs, you can search snipping tool. And again, this also comes on 99% of PCs. And so with this snipping tool, it kind of shades out everything. And then you can choose what it is you want to copy. So you need to submit an image of your folder structure. So I'd use the snipping tool, and I would just make a copy of this folder structure. So this shows me that I'm in my portfolio folder, and here's my images, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, and Unit 5 folders. So that's all you need to have in there for this assignment. Again, I'm further along in the class, so I have a couple other things in there. But then you can either copy and paste this image into a Word document and submit it that way, or you can just save this image in your web design folder as a JPEG and submit it that way to the Dropbox. Either way, that's what you need to be submitting for this assignment. If you do put it into a Word doc, make sure you're saving it as screenshot.doc and get that submitted.